Tender tune, kids.
Splish, splash, the water runs. Tiny toes and bubbly fun. Steam floats up like magic air. Is there a surprise hiding there? Wait, what's that bobbing near the tub? A yellow duck with a squeaky wub. Quack, quack, says the duck so bright. Bedtime heroes shine tonight. No more mud from knees to nose. Adventure starts when water flows. He spins in circles, bold and brave. Captain Duck of the bubble wave. So clouds rise like fluffy snow. Mountains growing row by row. Climb aboard, the duckling cries to Bubble Peak that touches skies. But wait, what moves beneath the foam? Is it a whale or bath time comb? Splash, a tidal wave appears. Giggles echo to little ears. The duck dives deep and disappears. Oh no, where did he go from here? Bubbles pop with tiny plops. The water stills, the splashing stops. Suddenly, quack, he jumps up high. Foamy crown above his eye. I found the treasure, he declares. A shiny sponge from ocean stairs. Scrub-a-dub, scrub-a-dee. Wash those elbows, 1, 2, 3. Shampoo rain falls soft and slow. Bubble rivers start to flow. Duck commands the rinse parade. Wash the dragon soap has made. Monsters melt and slide away. Clean and shiny wins the day. But hush, the water starts to drain. The bubble mountains shrink again. Duck spins gently, calm and slow. It's almost time for me to go. The tub grows quiet, warm and deep. The room feels soft and ready for sleep. Towel wraps like a cozy hug.